This is Mrs. Michael from the Classical Liberal Arts Academy. This is Lesson 2 of McGuffey's Eclectic Primer. The first thing we're going to do in this lesson is to look at the picture. You can see that we have a picture here of a cat catching a rat. So you can know that this lesson is going to be something about a cat getting a rat. Next, let's look at the lesson. Now, the first thing you'll see is that we have new sight words. In this lesson, we will be doing 5 new sight words. Then we can look down and see that we have new elementary sounds to learn. There are 3 new elementary sounds in this lesson. Lastly, we can see that there are new sentences. We have a whole series of new sentences that we are going to learn to read. Now let's begin Lesson 2. Okay, look at the cat with the rat. Now let's start your sight words. First word, A-T. You have the same A that we learned in our last lesson. A with a T. This is at. A-T, at. A-T, at. The next word, T-H-E. T-H-E is the. The. Whenever you see T-H-E, say the. The next word is R-A-N. R-A-N says ran. R-A-N, ran. The next word is H-A-S. H-A-S, has. H-A-S, has. And the last new sight word is capital A, N-N. When you see a word that begins with a capital letter like this, that's someone's name. This is the name Anne. Anne. Capital A, N-N is Anne. Now let's move down to our elementary sounds. The first elementary sound, this is the letter H. Now this is the classical H. It says H. H. Whenever you see this H, say the sound H. H. The next elementary sound is a TH. Now this is called an English voiced digraph TH. That's a lot of words for you. But this makes the sound the. 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 To make this sound correctly, you need to put your tongue between your teeth. Put your tongue between your teeth and breathe out. The. 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 Take some time and practice that sound. Sometimes that's hard for children to make. The next elementary sound, and the last one for this lesson, is an S with this little line under the bottom. Now this is an English voiced S, and it makes the sound Z. Z. When you see that English voice S make the sound Z. Now, let's move on to our sentences. Now, the first sentence we have right here, these words, we have capital T-H-E, the. Capital T-H-E, the. C-A-T. Let's sound that out. C, you learned was K. A, T, T. Cat. Cat. the cat. Here we have T-H-E again, the. And then we have R-A-T. R makes the sound R. This A says the sound A, ra, and the classical T, rat, rat, the rat. Now let's go to the first sentence over here. Okay, we have T-H-E, the. C-A-T, cat, cat. C says k, A says a, cat. And add the T on, the classical T, cat, cat. Next word, H-A-S. You learned the classical H says h. And the English short A, ha, ha. And then we learned the English voice S says z, has. The cat has. And here we have that one-letter word you learned before, A. The cat has a. You know by the picture what this last word probably is, right? The cat has a rat. Now let's sound this out. R-A-T, rat, rat. The cat has a rat. And at the end of the sentence comes this little dot, which is a period. That means the sentence is finished. The cat has a rat. And let's move down to the next sentence. Okay, there's that word the again. T-H-E, the. Next word, R-A-T. The English R, R. That A, and the T, t. Rat, rat. The rat. Now here's a new word for you. It looks very much like rat, except we replace the T with an N. So it's the English voiced R, R, and that A, the English A, ra, ra, and we replace the T with the N, ran, ran, ran. The rat ran. A-T. The A says a, and the T says t, at, at. The rat ran at. And here's a girl's name, capital A-N-N, Anne, Anne. And you have a period at the end. The rat ran at Anne. Okay, let's go on to the next sentence. You're going to start with the girl's name, capital A-N-N, Anne, Anne. H-A-S. The classical H says h, the A says a, ha, and this English voice S says z, has, has, has. Anne has a, C-A-T. The C says k, A says a, T says t. Cat, cat. Anne has a cat. Then you have a period at the end of the sentence. Okay, now the last sentence. Start with T-H-E, the. C-A-T, k-at, cat. The cat. R-A-N. R says r. The A says a. Ra. The N says n. Ran. Ran. A-T. The A is a. And a T says t. at, and the, R-A-T. The R says R, the A says A, and the T says T, rat, rat. So we have the cat ran at the rat. And we have a period at the end to show it's the end of the sentence. So how did you do with those sentences? Try to take some time now and read them on your own. And then go back to the beginning of this lesson. Read your sight words, read your elementary sounds, and read these sentences. See if you can do it all on your own. If you have any trouble, remember the sounds, the elementary sounds, and sound each word out until you can read it correctly. Well, that's the end of Lesson 2 of the McGuffey's Eclectic Primer. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. May God bless your studies.